Good morning everyone, it is currently 20 to 7 in Korea, Seoul, and it is 22:10 in New Zealand at the moment. We're just in our B&B. There is this most funniest squishy wallpaper behind me. It's foamy. I think it's for insulation because we live so close to other people. Like, Seoul is very condensed. It's one of the most condensed cities in the world. We're currently getting ready. We are off to a market today, and when you think of markets in New Zealand, it's like probably 15 stores max. Here it's 5,000, I read on Google. This is the power lines outside of our Airbnb.
Kia ora whānau, morena. Day here in Korea, Seoul. Just decided that we're going to the markets today. We're just gonna go catch a train now. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to get up to 22 degrees. Oh, what did we have? What did we stopped at an old lady's truck and she was selling, what was it? Fish cakes. Yeah, it was beautiful, spicy, delicious. Apparently it's a comfort food in Korea. We're just heading to the 7-Eleven to pick up our metro travel cards so we can catch the trains and the buses. It's like 20 bucks US and it should last us a couple of days.
It's got tea cards, mine's really cute. Mugs in the tree.
There's so much flavour. We just had kimbap, which is like their version of sushi. It's yummy as. Stopped at this food stall here from our awesome wahine. We saw her on Netflix. Pretty cool, you know, seeing like a food travel thing on like Netflix and then like actually seeing them in their space working, getting to taste the kai that we saw on TV. So yeah, it looks good, smells real good. I cook everything in that yummy broth. So this is our cold buckwheat noodles. We're just mixing all the chili and spices in.
Are these kimchi or meat? Are they both?
They'll be kimchi, those will be meat.
Yummy. Cold noodle soup. Buckwheat noodles.
These are yum.
With ice. Yeah, ice in it.
We've been wandering around the market. Looks like we found ourselves in the watchmaking area. It was like a whole block of just watches. So if you need a watch, Whānau, they sell heaps of watches here. Do you need a watch, Ben?
Got my phone, bro, I'm good.
Got a phone? Yeah, but you need to deck out your wrist.
We're currently in a... There's like wiring up here so the birds don't nest. What is it?
At the site of Wongaksa. We are just in a museum. It's a contemporary museum, and there's a whole bunch of information about the Korean government and how it was established, and also all of the North Korea and South Korea, and it's really, really fascinating.
Real Imperial guards there, standing there.
Got a ticket to this beautiful palace. It was only 3,000 won. We're just going to the subway.
My subway. Their subways are on time, they're fast, they're clean, efficient.
We just got home. My feet are sore. So good.
Here we are walking down the youth district. We're going for a feed at a nice chicken place. Just bought 2 litres of beer and it came frothing.
Cones are black.
No, we just witnessed 5 different performances going off within 3 meters of each other. You got 4 people singing, all with loudspeakers 3 meters apart, different songs from different bands, and a bunch of K-pop artists. So here's what we've got going on. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th one down there of concerts all going off at the same time in the same space. This is lit. Playing all by himself, he's got the idea, look, no one else around to compete against him.
the most amazing mozzarella on a stick. I could eat that all day. It is 8:49 at night and this contact lens shop is still open. Anyway, we're gonna go to bed now. Good night. Say good night.
Good night. Good night. What am I? What's Korean for good night?
Poor Maria.
No, that's not it.
What's good night for Korean?
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao ja.
Not ciao. Ciao.
Ciao ja.